We, the children of 5B, would like to convey to you a small message through our presentation. The four candles slowly burned. The ambience was so soft, one could almost hear them talking. The first candle said, "I am peace. The world is full of anger and fighting. Nobody keep me lit." Then the flame of peace went out completely. The second candle said, "I am faith. I am no longer indispensable. It doesn't make sense that I stay lit another moment." Just then, a breeze softly blew faith's flame. Sadly, the third candle began to speak. "I am loud. People don't understand my importance, so they simply put me aside. They even forget to love those who are nearest to them. And waiting no longer, love's flame went out."
Suddenly, a child entered the room and saw the three unlit candles. "Why aren't you burning? You are supposed to stay lit till the end." Saying this, the child began to cry. Then the fourth candle answered, "Don't be afraid. I am hope. While I am still burning, we can relight the other candles with shining eyes." The child took the candle of hope and lit the other candle. The greatest of these is love. But the flame of hope should never go out of your life. With hope, each of us can live with peace, faith and love. Thank you.